out of this 150 million, Africa now buying spending just 50%, which is 75 million. And one success story near 2026 budget allocated about 241 million. Quite a young touchy. Nebinum say a causing financial loss to the states. I didn't know Sabayan the Ghana Sikako Tonkoko, Adema Ubino Koyano in the communia. Sabayan Biaba, government policies are not always meant say yeah they pay profit because government in a profit making organization. Government no share and nyama etosini. Now why we can bit me average the gap. And your targeted your government targeted intervention policies. Mami 5 years senior high school. Before I be 3 years HS. Send a Ghana for secondary school. Me minute for secondary school, nye 3 years HS na koya. Ufo try. And to say you compound near tiamium. But I say Ghana fobu honma omuntimi ntua mama school fees and to offer policy a friend fees in high school no dey buy. And the taxpayers money and the funny fees in high school. Ghana ni bi o cha tax bi anyo bia ba na secondary school. But Ghana is can dey tua. Aban here 3 years mo friend we school aban ebusa awofosa bo na metua.
Debi anti
the entire aban mi so mo ne say aban mi say would educate emofra no a omo na ebenyina be ye omamba pa abechechiro manse in the long term omo ba be ye adwuma economy na grow enkokwa nketenkete eye government targeted policy say yemfam bridge the gap wa eda enkokwa ye consume wo Ghana they produce any they import no na yemfam la
anti the upper change na say enkokwa nketenkete project no ade a ade pa ene cost so
yes na ma menchirem say just a second and for so Ghana ni I didn't taxpayer man koton kokon ne say before enkokwa nketenkete now koto one full chicken high a year broiler no na a 300 Ghana cedis.
All right.
And then kokon nketenkete buy no sa broiler na ukuta 120 ukuta 150 ukuta 200 ubenya bi and it is na 300 na auto no 200 that was saving 100 Ghana cedis and it is taxpayer no just by say beer and kokon na chair no enya bi but because of nkukwan ketenkete na doors was system nti amabuo no akofom kosiana bu akofom obia better benefit. That is the targeted policy intervention by the government.
Okay, so huntori and then me sheda ni bre but be pedafo frobi so that the full program will be geared towards
kamani beje pa kamani bank mebro akoko. Yes.
They be suffer the here be.
Yeah,
Jerry, and no here be so muka koye.
Ba so kusia di udi mebro.
Kusia de medi. Na media enu bi na medi.
Ya pese we tasty bi.
Amo pese me tasty.
Na we sa we Ghana akoko no a eno wo so mo nam na ede. Unkonko pe se bi okoko party di fra brocha akoko funu edi 2 years ahye fridge na akwa ya de nko a.
Sami hunto mame nase. Ebreti ame. Menim se edafofro ye behia. Ba wo ye mikrom ni ba on tekasa no. Masa bagbanwe o. Hunto masa bagba.
Ba ajin so obede se me.
Debi hunto masa bagba.
Debi hunto masa bagba. Opesa o de se me. Opesa o de se me.
Mara ku figure to.
Okay, the next
figure to.
Free agoti me wodomi.
To. Agoti me na to.
Yeah.
Nyamanya wo. So, ga kenka.
So the next time e ba Yabeka Evan Kwame.
Mirase hunto.
Dimi ko mi charge lawyer. So we reach them family. So lawyer anya ni ya uncle who now wa.
Someone hunto you better ask pass over fairbu but we'll plan a one-on-one with you so we can get deeper into. I have a lot of questions to ask you but in the yensheda ni bre hunto. Mama na se pass over. Hunto is a special aid to the minister for hey, Safo. Hey, my Samo. Safo me srao. Meni semo. Safo meni sem. Me pacho. Weni semo ye ninyao. Weni semo ye ninyao. Abu Safo, ya dan wa basesia. SOMPA 106.5 FM. Samuel Hunto, a special aid for the Minister for Agric. Ya dan wa basesia.
Munde dinam se menya foreign call. Hello papa, what do bad to be a new? Se me feel London, eko US. Na no crowd who crowd from me mama nia. Na papa papa mo ho te sɛn
awurade aduma ha bɔkɔ
na kogyegyesi ɛko bɔ sempene mo de wɔtɔn adansi ho nneɛma no nso wɔhyɛ hɔ deɛ
wɔhyɛ hɔ ɛko ba mesi wɔbɔ adwuma kora sere kane no a na woduru US wɔn so manfo bɔ ndin saa na
papa US ha kora deɛ na kogyegyesi company limited agye baabi a wɔn wɔ Holland, Germany, France, Italy, London, Canada ɛba adansi ho nneɛma deɛ a obiara se na kogyegyesi company limited na mate sɛ wɔbie depo kɛseɛ bi ɛwɔ kasoa ɛhɔ na wɔbiara koto adansi ho nneɛma na ɛyɛ no kora papa
ɛyɛ no kora pa a police station nkyɛn hɔ a
ɛkuo ba sempere mo no ɔnyɛ mmerɛ da
hwɛ wɔakura no miɛnsa mua ɛna obia no foforɔ yɛ o baako wɔ bua kwasɛ paase kumase ɛde baako nso pokura se nkran ha obia se na kogyegyesi ɛyɛ bɛmaba ɛwɔ dansi mu wɔtɔn cement iron rods banding wires ɛnadoa plywood ɛnkyɛn sɛ ɛde bɔ danso te sɛ biribi a ɛde hyɛ ɛdansi ase de kɔ wie depo no nyinaa nso ɛyɛ tufoɔ boɔ wodugu kaa mu a wɔde kɔgya free Akra wuyi Kaswa Depo, any pokrasi dianokra to nkyɛn a wɔsa wɔ bi wɔ Akoteman, Tantra Hill, Iron City, Amanfrom. Wɔsa bie depo kɛseɛ nso ɛwɔ Koshiman, Kumasi Sapasi Depo no kra da nkyɛn a ebi so wɔ Magazine Road, head office no. Wɔ bie depo kɛseɛ nso ɛwɔ Dadeɛ Ntam, edwi so Accra Road, Femeswa opposite Alhaji Celia, Ampaba Meboshen. Tanoso Breman and Amanfrum. Numbers of for the fray 0244 313 752 and 0244 41 93 93.
Nana Kogyegyesi Company Limited.
In the stillness of the morning, before the noise of the day begins, there is a sound rising, a sound of prayer, a sound of power, and a sound of victory.
Yamawakwaba was SOMPA First Service. I was SOMPA TV, SOMPA Radio.
Your early morning altar of encounter. Join Bishop Albesaki Kwambo.
Onyankopon di fa wasra no ewiye brim. Enam ne nsaso ama Onyankopon we ya honwade pi.
Through this prophetic platform, destinies are aligned, burdens are lifted, and lives are transformed.
We need to teach us SOMPA First Service. Ewo homa yen. Enye TV program keke. Eye bra osro ne asasi hia. Eye bro Onyankopon kasa kyerɛ ma.
Set your alarm, tell a friend, gather your family, and let the Spirit of God reposition your life.
And SOMPA First Service entwa wo hu hoda eya dwada kusi efiada anopa no num kusi anopa no nsia fa woda no nyina share radensa na erade beye
Hajia special local foods abakade enye aduane ne aduane o ye wa aduane ne ye wa aduane enye nwanwa se Ghana ha ahemfo eyi akese wadi na kese party akese se wo pe baabi a wo be serve wo ma wo ho se ye buffet ene wo mo ye se ye local continental dishes a wo bi atwa nani a Hajia special local foods e wo hacho atomic kwan no so ho no de ntie fe ne local foods ne se enye wo mo ye aduane a na wo mo atentam tomatoes apro meko apro jena apro garlic apro no de aye aduane se eya abontine aduane edi enye ne bisa dabi Hajia suro nyame etinye nwanwa se Ghana ha etitire se ministries agencies akese aye ahemfo na nanom ahema mo wo mo tena se no wo mo si ye bedidi ye didi eziban ye didi a wo mo se momfra Hajia special local foods efise hono ena aduane no ekoyie Ghana ha ba bia wo mutimi serve Hajia special local food pese wo fra eye 024 63 59921 024 63 59921 and answer 059 479 7215 059 479 7215 for not with them 21st clinic sciatica expert sciatica no o nerves na wo to ase na fa wo siremu na fa wo nansia besi ase ho no se ho techema eno ene ye fa ne sciatica na etimi bubu o to ase ka wo se dwe wo sirem wo je ho baabi a enye na no na 21st clinic ba ye adwuma pa wo mu ye ntia basobo ma gye no Ghana ha ene amono ne enya asem ketewa wo mu gye international awards ahodo wo mu gye local awards ahodo na anu nso na wo mu bie the only sciatica research and treatment center in Africa bibrim ha no ebi ni baabi a gye 21st clinic nkwa wo mu de bibidro ene besa o yare no masa de machine aka ho yare sabia yare bia wutimi de ko ne mama de ba ko a wo ma gye din wo mu pa no sciatica ena stroke nso de kwa diabetes ne hypertension ne ade Ghana ha baabi a wo mu ho enkran ha sese ye wo Tantra Hill runabout se wo free enkran eba ye wo wonsa ni fa so wo fra masaman so na eba nso a wonsa bonkum so ho na wo behu ye 0540 311 311 0540 311 311 na 21st clinic still wo mu ye sciatica expert Aha! Just hot kinky.
Just hot kinky.
Hey, you're hot. Just bread and pastries is say. Just hot kinky. Dokunonua. Ye di yellow corn vitamin A womono. Na ye 3 Ghana so the sepe.
3 Ghana so the sepe.
No more to dokuno mountain so. And no more to etono. Say dear. Occasion bia. Se wo pe dokuno serve wa wo. Wo die free. Na ye customizing amount. Se the wusi penny bia. Protein opese ye ka ho. Ni ayama wo kama. Yes, we take orders for every occasion and you can customize the price of your orders based on the kind of proteins you like at a very affordable price. And to say, Obi say just hot kinky. And you deserve ya wo. Just bakery e wo dome. Commercial bank in Chenwa. And to fraying and was 025 60688832. Na yen customize your orders in amount. Never serve wo say the wusi pen pepe. Just hot kinky.
Just hot kinky.
Hey, hot.
I wish I for SOMPA 106.5 FM for God and Country. Monday's edition in studio. Uncle Bo Backman. So do any trip a UPA. Wano and a abediachia. Wakasa ema a party no. Sasuna a lawyer keke sebe a mrenim nikesia. Or a MPP amanyu kunum. Sasuna ode when each a finfin whole studio ha. In Abema Roger. Also a kasama NDC Amanyukone is a member of the National Communication Team. Now, like I said, now, say no. Uche a year hunto. Asama all kind and say, Muan Kazan says, no. Mudde a year Yoko office or at the year campaign grounds. Where your children be no one Casavia. And ya dear national election in Grano. You be few.
ABOTCHIE.
Yes.
Mema wa hanama ma yetifo ne ahwefo nyina na de di kan no mebo MPP fo nyina baso ewo election kesia over the weekend constituency elections na course no generally bibia course asumdwe mu na wo hwese obe 276 constituencies na be bia yedwo although say wo issues obe ba ku mienu bia na kyerese
Obo constituency mile 7 higher what did you see?
Oh, beke mu ache me akoso. Na so ma me mo ma baso na me na omo nso ase.
Omantu.
Say police for say papers ni bia ye de share police for nsa no. Ye se ayira.
Ya fra police penyi a wo ho se person ne kasa.
Na wanka be kasa.
O se lalai.
Ye se enka mpanyifo se odi ade gya kronfo a enyira. Oti ase. Na police for ene boye ho ban. Into the last place, you be expect to say, "Adia be jira every ho a police station."
But we've not heard the police react.
That's what I'm saying. To a bedding, say ache, over 24 hours. And this allegation e by it is on bekasa e beboa. Enti mesan so akọ especially my constituency. For no southwest.
Yeah.
Now wana odi nkunimu nyina mabo ambaso.
Oya half ni this year.
Menya hafuni ahafo ano eya santememu eno ne ya ne bitin krofo kakra se ka ahafo ano a eye Ashanti region.
Okay.
Ahafo ano southwest e mankran so southeast eye Adujama.
Okay.
Ena south ena north eye Tepa.
Aho nyina ya Ashanti.
Dubon se ahafo unse first of brown ahafo region.
Yeah.
Region no asantememu ano ahafo nano ene ahafo regions na ye
Matias.
It is Ashanti region. One now compare so won enya no so ye bo maba so because o ma ya de o ma konkodin ye nyina ye nkan homom se nipa ba ko ne fa nko eko a eda ye nim no na mem se nyame nti bibia be fire incident be happen here one of one big company in Ghana here.
Sure.
And the environment me anko because the directors ni ABOTCHIE by SMO meeting and I had to be there Saturday, Sunday,
that's fine.
You to am morning identity me anko afano southwest omo fan cheme. Ya bo mu nyina ba so djuma pa mai. Kwasema obi say obi a ho ba asemo ana ya de call you. Say ono ne kasa mo be ka nyina nkokon ketenkete o. Ba no akotwa ba bi dia be shem na akoy 3 against 1. Ba ya be fan sa.
Baby me ba cho sasem no ya jaika.
Dia hin no.
Jaika.
Oh, me catch okan kokon ketenkete asem. Me bo okan me pa cho. Oh shasi o.
Roger is off mic. Me pa cho.
Okay, me so me call off mic. Nti me so me call off mic. Me che say okan kokon ketenkete. Enye sa.
Yeah.
E na okan the Oma Yachi Omuni.
No, now.
I'm so I better 3 in 1.
Okay.
But what didn't call say, Ebia, Nipa Miesa, and a Menkwan, and also says,
there be antissa.
Mr. Sessa Manga says, let us say, it may come any mono. You go going to get your back, the Mizati Funina, a Yomasumwa.
Let's come to the issue. Let's come to the question. I may be sorry.
It's only the meeting.
Stay on.
Okay,
stay on the issue.
Matthias, what can I say?
That's
when I moderator.
Yeah, so stay on the issue.
Matthias, I say me anything. Yenya miracles abuaje. Minia. Obia sebe nepe epe na ananho na anonu akosi organ ha na. Ente sa every blessed day one tinka e radio so a ubehu no with TV so. And I'm not talking about recorded programs, live programs. Like 2 weeks ago, news file everywhere miracles e wo honom. Na o kan sem bi wo ha sei. Me pese ye hwe ne yi. Say ye dey stop a year to so ani aka cho se me ntu kwan a. Ye nkan kire ne se mo ntu kwan. Ye nkan kire ne se ma ontu kwan. During the processes no, ye charge ni mpo. Se ye charge wa anase ye ma yoko ma bail on any a year. And obetimi no wa henhye no aka cho say okay. As part of obi a bail conditions say ni bia sense o your investigations o fra branch ni bia oba o fra ni bia oba afa we to kwan oba wo se me the stop order akwakoto ne so enti ya che no e wo your friend say airport. Is it the case say wa friend bi kra na one man na ya che airport Saturday. Now because MPP for muko bochenku ya de yanko bochenku aka unya statement na wo kan
statement benga from Yoko
kan unya statement ya common kasa. Now there is pressure on them to speak. What about on Saturday? What them the whole Saturday? What them the whole Sunday? Monday u program special say the next edano eden ekogu ano no afena statement iba. You see some of these things when you talk about them mo mianka ho asem. If you say mpanyi say kwase no se ye de me yonko ne eneme de ekwe on se enche pi na yewura Martin Pebu lawyer ni ono adi na ibeho se dia afendisi for mu ye mu hwe ni yi o because MPP ba no so mu ye bia yen so ne ho ebe kire yen onua kọ akwantu mu oba why ye we na chi akwa chine dindindin. Why? The only reason me madwini mu no e kire me say miracles he is leading the communication team, championing the agenda of MPP, speaking boldly to issues, standing to the government in somewhere. Mimi e bonom ni ade ntimi nka no ono na timi ka enti na ade ne de be ye nkonko kire no ni ara se betimi aka na no otomu a na obi a on charge ne hwe obi a onye under any bail condition enti die enti na de stop order akwakoto ne so
na won Yoko for release no mo de aba bonten
wa kono wa kan mamati
unya nwi
meni hu bi me ba wo kase metie wo de wo start show me ntimi fan to ba bia na metie wo na se ba mo kanyina hodo hurada sem e na wo so hukumuja e na 55 million e na de
oh me see 55 million
na bi se tumu nchini tumu jasa de wo
me de bi Yoko for some
da bi
na me so me kan
wo de wo
55 million
I would do me ya ubi
there be na 55 million
also ba medium okay e na bi se wo hu oh the way a
me dey people me tumuja
and then one waka no and mu jana me ka na se no kre ne tell ya wo kan no enti sa o enti sa
de Yoko for kan
me tie nyina ye sere ma me
sere
ma me say misappropriation of funds and enti no nipa no se nyegwe na mo pa o de ase atikroma wo be nu court om de be kwa akowura ni ba bia be kwa akosi ni nyina ne say let us show you where power lies ye nche no enti na so be wura yimu a da bia mo frɛ na oba mo frɛ no just invite him and let him come. If you to detain him for anything, let him know. Why is it that the lawyers scrap us or no penny and more access? Why? After so I spend Saturday, Sunday or Monday, we needed access to him. Yes, mom access. At the India. The family members wanted access to him. Yeah, mom access at the India. It is how the way I hear Baba so. Nobody is saying he says so be a bonia. Me and Fanina Emrano. That's not what we are saying. In fact, I am one person I advocate said these things that are going on, sympathy for the wrong thing that we are doing. If you have the charges, why arrest the person? There is no need to arrest the person. Say, Saturday, Sunday. No, if you have a point, go to court.
But also reading a Yoku for statement, no matter about one thing, one will say last week, and almost stop order be torn so.
Where was he?
Not in Yabotre. Almost stop order at Toroso airport. Now, question I me Bisana say. Now, on no miracles, no names there. Yeah, the stop order be at Toroswana.
How will you know say the stop order? To stop order, no. Oh yeah, what immigration for? How now they call? Say, Yoko sa to me no, or the akose nipa we me amani ntu kwan. It is a Yoko per se won to kwan as part of bail condition. Yet me kwan season passport. Yet me season passport. Now why you we amani penny nim say stop order there to so e beka say the stop order to so. There be Okona immigration services na kwa arrange say nipa we because of say ni. It will be used to me you should kwan boni we say so. Na say so son so a. Yes, the few young so a
but Yoko for my assurance he will be granted bail
after detaining the person for how long? 3 days. Okay, say easy. You want to me call Yoko. You know, besina want to me sin that them. Na 90 kra no ntimi. O say ye do ko hye baabi. E honom ketekete nti won ntimi kra ent ne wo namu. Etu na ye say sa na moja now. So what kind of democracy are we practicing?
All right. So
it's shameful on the part of the
Maminchi on this subject.
You see, Abochi, the MPP were Ghana's problem and fantasy.
MPP a Ghana for
one
problem.
of Ghana's major problem also that you deal with as a nation is MPP.
Really?
Yes.
Why?
You see, sometimes we behave as though we're special human beings in this country, and therefore they need to be treated specially.
Sana uhunu.
Lawyer no say. When tum wanka constitution or Ghana constitution, baby Yoko as a way what's a constitution. Lawyer no lawyer. A lawyer.
I would ask you that question. So relax. Meet you.
It is a Oracle said Article 14 of the Constitution. Yoko as a way utia section this and that. Oh, Yoko as a way or as a born. Since I'm there, sometimes we put them away in person, other Ghanaians. Young friends, some young trenchant. Everybody has to be treated equal before the law.
Sure.
Nanche, Chachuchikata, Namirakas Abwaji. There could be no contribution to Ghana. One of them you draw. And can you compare Chachuchikata? Can you compare Mirakas Abwaji to Chachuchikata? Chachuchikata was arrested. Airport and were arrested. Vito Salome. No poor heart pacer that come no pompions was the machine I should not come home. And the MPP. No so what Chimo airport. Now go from jail. My Vito Salome po jail. Why don't you court? Why do watch one? No young court or young jail? Because what's it? Ghana embrace. Why you be Tiambra? Ntosa na mambra nyonizi. Na se dem kuku dem impo wo form bra kondo wo chewan chachu mpo na o chapu dem mpo wo kono nti wo kwa kache wo chapu dem asafu mpo pacho do wunya bote chachu ko to ngwan ko bebia wunya bote chapu do boso no nyame won cho su dem wie watching dem nzema nyina akodo wo Ghana. These people justified it. There's nothing wrong. Mbano ri yeduma na si akofado a great interview other CNN or Al Jazeera, one of them. No, was back home. No oppositions in a tata one uncrofu, one former appointees. Also, it is not about him. He has nothing to do with it. I am Brown Ghana. No, the same people in there. Because Abuaji was a Juma Shawunsa. And I bought there.
Sompa.
Ma echo yoko. No, why should we be ready to watch you? Now, watching now, your person will be Ghana. One chink of every time they are Ghana. Only person one. And you people, you make the fuss out of it there as if they are special human beings. It's so annoying. to hear them speak the way they do. Here, Makachro, I speak about corruption with passion because much more Ghana. Mudu baby amu inso nyimparo noma na mo wura because wanye mbo na onye nunzu. Ko Western region other baby in escape ko Western region where we have our gold and our minerals and everything. Go and see the road today. And the accident unkofunya because of bad route. It is a penny bi ala what omani tum shawunsa na was zibiru mo na sesika bi akwachewa. Say mo ma me ni bompa. I will speak against. Na say bibi watching my airport or a special human being should not be arrested. Do you know people get arrested every day in this country?
But the issue they are raising, and they say, no, they've denied him access to his lawyers. Constitution, say, say, actually, Bia, or saying Pocono, a catching Pocono, sent to that action, and can't you nebusi and can't you lawyer, a catcher and Casa, ABOTCHIE. Match you because of the Mazi. Yembi said there. What's in what catch as a wire?
The right to representation.
2. What's in there? One conscience with there. And what right to counsel.
Sure.
As a Makalasa. When we said there, what catch now? Na embaka you ebeno embaka there. That means the benina Yoko and yet.
You cannot speak for Yoko. You see, please, you cannot speak. And wait, you cannot conjecture. You cannot conjecture. No, because you no wait.
The report we have say he's been denied the lawyers Kokodru. They were not granted access to the place.
Okay, so thank you, Mami Tierbo.
In Brandon there, 48 within 48 hours.
Yeah.
In Pocona, watching no. Either there. Over in the bill in local court.
But does the law apply to weekends?
But for that one, I don't know. And a lawyer will I grant him that because that is his profession. But the point I'm making in there, when the Constitution talks about the principle of equality before the law or the supremacy of the law,
you have the right to speak, please.
When the Constitution talks about the supremacy of the law and the principle of equality before the law, more there, no political color. A man you belong to no more a special human being. More patchy there. Say I go school then. Say belong to any political party then. Say we sika now. And you other Ghanaian on your politics, on your sika, on school, and you pepe. It is them are post the phone now. I security agents watch individuals every day. Drive any what and watching. So watch a politician on your news.
But right,
it should never be news.
Right to cancel.
No, listen there. Within 48 hours, you know. Within yet today, Yoko will issue a statement. My country MPP want to back there. Per Article 14 of the Constitution, there's any section of the Constitution Yoko will budo. One kind of masterman. But the point I'm making in there, say, a gun let's say it's a man. Let's say politician that can as in let's say in Benny Visa. Our Baba Yana Bessiaba. Friends the fear. Man want to turn me car on concussion and Capra because this say up and down semi on the Kora.
SOMPA FM.
I better service can or maybe more. I will kill you all there. I want to show there how they are doing people in one hand. Scaramobia. It's the cow. It's the cow. But boys like a sackasy. You see, I want Ghanaians to love this country more than their political parties. People must love this country. Ghana is bleeding because of some corrupt politicians.
I bet you see.
Yes, Obotum.
I'm
telling you, people can love me. Let me tell you, me, that political party. I've been a youth organizer of MPP before. So you can imagine the way I speak today. I ain't been a my MPP either. I speak as a Ghanaian.
Titama now MPP now Kasati is a Ghanaian.
You see, Mpefu was saying me waka Bible mumpo. Ose musan na mo dwene mo fama dwen. Na mo me penyin. mujun pay ni.
Until that time now we drink MPP are drink.
Oh yes. I'm telling you because I've come to the conclusion there. Political parties come and go. But Ghana is always Ghana.
Ebo Maminase. Rest your case. We was also SOMPA 106.5 FM for God and Country Radio. I'd like to remind you, sir, you are both for the sciatica expert, the sciatica originator, the sciatica commander. You can't the first clinic. Make up who's a matro. Endpoint homeopathic clinic. Doctor do Watingo. Yadibia Niwa would be for the feature. One show my wunya sa. Endpoint make no who's a matro. Sazana RSYD no VG Studios. Studios on go abe PM and cry ha. Me ba so we akotwa see you hobby bia wo. Mami nkora me nkotie Roger. Roger na say.
Meji also abochi.
Sure, mami ti Roger.
Abochi. Edi kai ma me fa kwenya sunchi His Excellency the President John Dramani Mahama na me nda Ghana for ni na ase say the 2 days ye dey see almost say ye be clean na ya start SACC o man mu no Ghana for ni na eboje so apart from MPP 4 omo MPamba abochi na ka MPP ni ba ko pie ba be ye adwuma pa nka be hu pictures hu post and hu optics because omo no pay the optics
na sa ba ko pie ye ready say
and yes into who pictures me boa we who videos into I want to tell you say omo
Martin J Mentakosa Techiman South NP
and America say
NP ni kese pa
opie who pictures who videos for the optics ba o me appear
enya for the optics oh ye juma now to so
ba o me appear
oh ye juma
ba o me appear we pie and America just onya pia the leader of the party Masa
me patch me debi
o time sign you lawyer
please me patch Roger
abochi
yes
into the American say nka mu pie pa nka be who the optics and shenanigans the tactics you know but maminchia party mu penifoni na from the chairman to obi bia especially to the grassroots veranda boys ni na me na me omo chairman the veranda boy me na me ti ha no abochi issues here abai concerning Miracle Aboji won say a baby with sharp teeth
to say the Rollins ka fa some joy
yeah be the me fa ho abochi
there be some would can want some
ya me America cho say the way are not oyo na no togbo na nka we din sansem say no na nka so no e ba ho oba betina TV so e ka kire Ghana for say tama ye di dwumadi e hye ne nsa no dwumadi we no wakọ say financial loss I misappropriate fund I embezzle ni say odie mama go into judgment or public scrutiny minwe we won odo MPP chin the way odo Ghana wallahi
unia ben
first thing lawyer KK Sebe but on one osan lawyer Sebe oti ewu we ni hunya twem se
oh that one is too strong
no nya twem mo te se obi o ye
unya twini unya kani say ya ka se obi nya twem
o
ye hypocrite
yes a hypocrite
oh
and I am person meka so a hypocrite lawyer ni na o mo issue letter no one kind letter ni mu nsem no one better no aka say as though say we are doing something to intimidate one the catch and say Miracle Aboji is not aware say am I restricting you from traveling who told you have you inquired only the letter na e ba no letter ni van kasa ka ode
you prefer to
me letter
so what kind mama heading
beba o say letter ni kasa che say what kind o say letter inti kasa unim kasa un kan then I can forgive you. Can you say okay? Then I can.
No, he's making specific reference to me.
Now say a group of people more identify as a political party who are lawless in talking about probity and accountability. Yet chiro man. So be abe fa man no sika anase watena bebi na esi omebu akonta. It mo be anything accountability
said the okano no okay say obi abefa oman ni sika yen kan sa say almost susu say
na me say almost say so obi watena ekondwa so ana watena dibia bi na yeso bebu akanta omo se mebu akonta omo se mebu akonta na say group of lawless people mo say akotabuo munya ana say moko gada all mo say nanka
there be me bacho don't misrepresent lawyer keke sebe
me misrepresent ne side no mebu amane we sia mebu e before dey na mo
there be nyabotre lawyer keke sebe say wo problem a wo wo with Yoko no say wo refuse right to cancel detaining for how many days 2 days without
and then miracle aboje unim say Yoko order da
obinim so okọ
it's all the days okọ no I dey na ne cancel na ne lawyers enim.
Why?
Oh my brother,
but you and I were not there. Tama wako hobia na minu yeni ho. So to yebi so
amuchi no so na minu yeni ho. So asa yen kasa sisi a minu nyina yeni ho. Ono lawyer sebe yoti hase krapo no oni ho. Ade tla wako gina video no mu bi. No wako gbegbe ni bi.
Debi has been there.
There say me wonder
wako on mu but you didn't get any information. Did you have any information?
Come say did that lawyers ask
no.
I'm telling you.
How many lawyers
I'm telling you nobody was giving access.
They will not give nobody access.
No. Mutu trust them no.
Abochi, let me put it to them and make it clear to them say we are governing a country. Yoko has a constitutional mandate. Nothing stops its constitutional mandate. Say Mufili say Bibi is not done right, go to court. If you feel something is not done right, just go to court. Now Abochi, okay, a year omode ba ya release na Yoko for the buy no. Omode ka kire say onim say some investigations we nyina ekoso. Now omode eyi your friend is saying banned attorney so from traveling. Now so what you
paragraph say cancel.
Oh, master, mami be ma.
Just help me.
Oh, me bacho.
But say project letter no.
Project SARFO for letter no to so ma me.
SARFO fato so na yen kan mo tie bi. Fato so na yen kan no tie bi.
All right, and the letter not to so we can peruse the letter again. Right here on SOMPA 106.5 FM.
Go second page,
SARFO go second page.
Go second page,
Yeah, share the second page.
Na yen kan wa ha. Yoko notes that Gerald Appiah has voluntarily begun refunding into brackets returning the loot of funds connected to the crimes under investigation. These recoveries do not and by themselves conclude the investigation processes. Neither does it absolve any suspects of any crime. Following significant new findings last week relating to the suspect's fraud and theft involving Mr. Dennis Abuaje, who is already aware of the investigations and has already visited the office on it, Yoko initiated an operational plan to effect his arrest this week. As part of this process, Mr. Abuaje was placed on a stop order a week ago to prevent any sudden travel that could impede the investigations this week. Unknown to the office, he had already departed the country. Master, keep quiet and let me. Upon his arrival at the Kotoka International Airport on Saturday night, officers of the Ghana Immigration Service executed the stop order and handed Mr. Abuaje over to Yoko on Saturday morning. He subsequently accompanied investigators on a search on Sunday, which is expected to continue today. Now, let me not continue to read. Oh, please. Where
in this?
My brother.
That is the second
my brother.
Where and what I say you inform ne say ma on two coin and what two coin. Where?
Now.
Where?
Let me. It's not your.
No.
Ukaza me ma ukaza.
I don't know my pointing out there. Ma on two coin no two.
Abochi. Abochi, they've started an investigation. You, the person, you are involved. Okoba, it's not. Are you telling me, sir, you don't have any idea the restrictions they have placed on you? Are you? No. Are you telling me?
The letter says they place any restriction.
No, master. He told you. The letter. It says, sir.
Letter that was it they informed him not to travel?
Roger.
Dabe no to kwan.
Roger.
Yeah.
Maybe I can say
ABOTCHIE ready.
There be.
No, because I ready not to for the
Mr. Abuaji was placed on stop order a week
ago. Dabe no to kwan.
Was he informed not to travel?
There be.
No. How can they put it? No. I tell him. Our legal representation. You are sitting here as a lawyer. Please.
You don't understand.
You are talking about the lawyers now. I'm talking about him going in all the time. Let me tell you, please. Please, you are not apologizing to which listener? He knows. And I say that on authority.
Roger.
He knows.
Roger. Kasadame.
He knows. He knows. So what I'm saying is, he knows. His legal representation knows. If they feel that anything that Yoko is doing is contrary to the law and the constitution, they should go to court. If you feel that the government or Yoko is doing anything wrong, you know the way to the High Court, you know the way to the Supreme Court, you know the way to the court. As a matter of fact, you are a lawyer, and I require that you. No. I say you are a lawyer, and I require that you do the honorable thing.
The letter you.
All right, SOMPA 106.5 FM. Me patrola keke sebe spare me this moment na me fanya de na mama kan che o se de biara metena ameka ya de wo hoi ya na eba so a e man haw dadwene no to twene because ye wo doctor kunini wo Ghana ha obetimi asa ya de Endpoint homeopathic clinic Dr. Dubuatin oye burta oye kikim Dr. Obon homodin ye pa eba na yaresa na hwem so bia wonya stroke yade ana wanya dwudwe waka mpemu a me pacho bomodin pa na ko hwele cha kwan e wa Accra Spintex Road Shell signboard hono e ho anabo Endpoint homeopathic clinic na wo kuma se so okronim abo hia na kai se anya stroke yade nkwa na otimisa enya njuju yade ade nkwana tunsa yade ahodo nyina onama befo kwan so ebe hwe wa ma ho ato se wo ba wo pese ofefru de bia metaka minim krofo bebre a wo makoho a doctor ni din kra no wo mo de ato wo ma be ma wo jinso yiya wo so jinso ne mo apai woni oba de bo anu apai yiram wono ye fra sikwa amase ye fra eye adabrijo me ba to bo mo de na hwehwe Endpoint homeopathic clinic. Any of your internal organs, say your kidney, say your wahra no brebo, me pato Dr. Dubuatin ebesaw ya de. That's a channel to say, what ya de would yapo, unantian suye, upe physiotherapy session, papa there, Endpoint homeopathic clinic, ebedi wakajim, massage na Endpoint homeopathic clinic. But modern enough for Dr. Dubuatin CCR. I was 0244 867068. or 027-4234-321. Maminka will say what ya de what kefie. Won't mean sorry and kwaya sabia. Endpoint homeopathic clinic say friend says ya no abetu ka befie no ababe ho. Number ni bio 0244 867068 02742-34321. Mesaka 21st clinic who has some material. Any RSYD no VG studios who has some material. Now over the weekend, Kwesiada any memory da. Na NPP amanyokuno no mujina kuno. Akuna wa mujina no. Abato no ensem bebre na epie mu. Na abrantie ba ko bia ono na na asem no. Aya ma hwewo na say. Dia okanyina no person kire say. Aya dia internal elections e wo NPP amanyokuo mu no aye secretary but sasem no kan ye no medi ma dwen ko ekire no anya NPP amanyokuo nko amanyokuo bia. I don't know if that's the case with the UP muma nko tie we bi emra
asaba unya ade mabre waza oh ade na aspirant we aspirant but man na form ade nti Nipo most about 1,000 at home, Zaba. We be a control, yes, Gabriel. I'm in MP organizer. I'm a raw cry. Oh, I don't know how much I was. We be able to see everything to my trauma. And then you never only am there. Oh, very easy. Oh, bruh. Yebuso. I want to hear one. Matoyi. Otuma why? Abagaza wa.
Badina and then you may say when you have prepared and then I see Potter Bantama.
Okay. I'm say more team in a more shamia within the soft brony of Bantama. Bantama are away. Munya Munim say Bantama is the heart of the MPP. Bantama ye Osun Nakoma. Ghana nyina yetu ye ni hwe amayo semu Bantama de edemufua. Na ye MP Francis Asenso Boache. Em say mbra so say ye say ye constituency executives. Ye every 4 years. Constituency ne so no so ye ba party nsemu a enjina MP so ejina chairman constituency chairman so ene ne executives. Enti say ye ba be yi mpanyimfo a ye omo ene election committee for ina omo hwe abaso enye MP. Na ye MP na ye na dwene say ye de ne ba ye obey MP no bibie ni a opeso control the whole constituency no opeso why na dwene say wa hijack constituency no but constituency no so doesn't belong to him. And sadly why na dwene say time bia no ye bibia opeso o take absolute control. Ye beto aba minia ye ba beto aba ya ye nhihye bibia mama ya ase adada fom na mu keep yomo ene nkofo 2222 bia ye de omo ka ho no ya pa obia na ode ne nkofo ya de aba abeka ho mati ase agreement is agreement be duru ho na mo ye wie ye na mo fa delegates no new delegates ne ka ho mo de ka ho mo koto coordinators aba no ade che na omo gwa beto constituency aba ya yesi ye omo nyina free ye omo nyina free musu say ye omo free musu say
na musu say ye Bantama MP na yes ade na
yesu say ono na waya saade no all because waya na dwen say or the first vice no e ba betu ye chairman a o te akunya so a ye koto ne so aba a ye person ka omo fa kwan pa so broni beka say transparency ne yan fa nto aba no but unia asanso bo ache say onya saade no what I say ono ne person odi ne tumi e de ye de ope
enne ya basi e ba beto aba fiti enra mo frustrating sa anopa ya e kaka na Jefferson sa ya boy ya ba sompa wa ba wo colleague MP constituency a o be ba diabolic wa ha o fra all aspirant ni nyina aka kire wa mo say ya beto aba no afa within o wie ya 30 minutes was after one was a young to Abano. Akwaji Adamsia. And me ba one me no beka sign and penny for no casaya. Say young Kwani anya day, young to Abano. And I will see you. And you 3 hours time. No sad about saying day, young to Abano. And not your son or casaya, and I see a battle. Yakwadaya. Yadaya.
All right, so SOMPA 106.5 FM for God and country. Roger Zaka, oh, yeah, is it a police for the nana? Roger, that's some way crowd, they won't can be. They are BM before internal
SOMPA. Obia, me, macra, things fall apart, I'm MP4.
What crime? Na debi enu de se onke bi oketeche frifa na no safu fa ne video no to so oketeche frifa ekwan ya de ne fa so no na I don't know minim de oketeche frifa de oye ye nko a o so ne page sa obo no me ko be hwe na atade na eye bo na se anwa na aye ne bo ebo bakman ma me sha se mfru so
oketeche frifa
oye MPP asem ya bottom up and okay do have a top bottom approach. Top bottom approach nonsense and so you know. O send there about what you know wa kwa there. Also the to me you be a oya ba me nyimpa. Because already the way ba me was so nto no gina soro ho.
Ye nyina ye tie SOMPA.
Result we be nyina all line with ba omia ne agenda. And see, most of the areas, you know, just what to happen, we delegate or yeah, polling station executives, you know, one yan them. Even Mr. Kukum, no way album. Into Boshe, my Okotecha free for some Kenya. Also, they manufactured the album. Or yeah, if you just search album now, we get a to have one manufacture. The on here on the band, maybe one manufacture album. No, get on Yaza what to Abano polling station executives, and the Mazan or Yazo MPP. MPP so what bomb mafia. Party constitution was to intend. What bomb mafia we are. And also for the unity of the party sake in tea, who be Angie Monka. I've been a member before in the minimum. Makamas in there will be a badge in nature. Martin Kofi for some cancers in them. They will be quable. Because it is will be a badge. They are now getting to know the kind of party they are in. Happy party, no a mafia party. It was a Nana People's Party. This is a Baumia People's Party. It's a mafia and war bun. What bar? What she? Oh, and Kahun. KK Sabede, Lawyer KK Sabede, no more there because I'm not support Ken. And so I work come down pa. What do was a bachelor? I am Lawyer KK Sabe. Here, all Chunum Kosur Bassi, I work come down so long as I support Ken over a Canadian opponent. Oduwa was a bachelor party because the party is my woman most of it. Now, and to the political parties, any no to Usuban or your papa from negative to positive, you are progressing, you are making a progress. But then people are there, party enforcing them for the dono, and now or progress in terms of values and principle, no, or party to connection. Yes, what's done? Party believe in democracy. SOMPA FM elections no e she dem na manufacture bantama the meeting program what no am sure what's so here na ya to me there all the executives no ncho obinu wo ho na change keke bi na awo for bear 20 bra also for bear 20 bra e political party na why and them what on as ogomi MPP pa anyi dem oya ro there it's the time bi am catch you there sami say in the MPP in the NDC. No, so 1992. Abraham will join MPP, and I came and join MPP. Because MPP on your corner. Or your party will lose, never lose in principle. They know it. What about a mafioso party? Party of.
Nyabutre, who say MPP are bearing?
Mafioso. Chede, mafia. Oh, yeah. From one mafia, another mafia to Baumia mafia. That's MPP today. Mama nyanku schoolmates nyanku pa basic you free about some okay what's abaya botono from national to region from region to national say ya ba o menyin pay no to abom ability party because opio one na we ba me no nkofo openly publicly o mama nyanku papa publicly waka party in balance on kada American otie party number I mean so she said baby what you biano what about born am ba omia ne ma catch road there
eboye na sifom
ma catch road there as a prokonam as ko zongo market ntama omo advantage biala over obi oze na ntwinama ba nyu bi
okay
awo zo ko anapa na so busy as a prokonam ko zongo market anapa no busy aponchinama na ntwinama oze ba nyu bi ra obi nya market ase no when you wrong candidate who will also want your party in Poye or say party na
MPP
and
almost say party
but I'm very weak candidate
very
on your marketable after I'm one more
now
you hear super car not to connect car na job but them to connect in train was say car so account
car here denga
or your party na ba omia okra na obey
mami na sebo let me take a listen to you on this Anobama Roger Kasansana.
Oh, Roger, I mean,
more internal elections, context, I can't say.
I said, Many are known to be meeting. Namity being so cacao boy. You see, Ebu, yet an assay. And now and that has been a trend. Or better, if you about Dr. Baumia Dean, bear 72 times.
Okay.
Mekanye. MPP we bought MPP din 46 times.
72 46.
At times, you know.
Well, how many?
Obi say sɛ lumba bɔ ne nwom ɔsɛ sɛ nka onim sɛ obekum yesu ama na hene ne so ayɛ kɛse a ɛne wadi nkugu
ɛnti ne yɛbrɛ asɛm no so
asɛm na yɛba ɛnyɛ mpipi asɛm
no internal contest no
what to say me nua yaba wabɔ alankyɛ matindin ɛnɛ 0
asɛm a ɛda hɔ no ne
sɛ UP ɛno na meba so yi sɛ UP plus ɛnyɛ me na mɛka ombodi
dabi
yɛsɛ deɛ ɔwɔ din yɛ bɔ Dr. Baumia na ɛwɔ din nti ɛbɛbɔ ne din internal elections a yɛakɔ abɔkyi mepatwɛ abɔkyi how many constituencies ne ɛwɔ 276 baabi a wantwi baako mmienu bi baa ɛyɛ sɛn ɛnyɛ baako a ɛyɛ mmienu ɛnyɛ baako a
bɛyɛ 60
well nyabotre we'll get it
ɛnyɛ baako a ɛyɛ mmienu wote ase sɛ bi a twitwiri bi yɛnua wawunua ɛyi hoyi katachie hɔ no mi basically
bantuma
trobo di asɛm ne si hɔ trobo asɛm ne nyinaa ne sɛ yɛde nkrataa akɔma police for wote ase sɛ ɔmo nhwɛ so police nso yɛnim sɛ police ɛyɛ aban ɛyɛ police head of the police then vice president meboa in effect President Mahama is in control of the Ghana police NDC for chief propaganda man almost spokesperson Sami Jemfi run into the elections be a course will be a say Kufuadua adenti ananya Kufuadu na yesei anya Kufuadu yadi na President Mahama so on share abane so ade China se bia yira o se no MPP na abone so bo
baby I will define I don't think the analogy works over here. Yeah, you can't blame President Mahama.
No, me say who is the chairman of the police council?
The vice president.
And you can say the backstop with somebody. Do you understand?
Just watch me.
It is a the police eye bibi na se koyia hwan ye de ma no anko yia hwan ye de ma no it be just enye MPP na share abane so wo trobo so why do you blame MPP for trobo say ye de ade akoma police for ye sorry ye ebia yira wo say MPP for matter e che say MPP election na ya places are betting about say BBC ya on to about 0.01%. So you have to come here and for at least once ebo praise the NPP say moya de moako ama dodo na o de o 60 let's grant you that 60 your 276 constituencies when to me and just 200 and something no one can say NPP for moya de
but you know one disturbing thing I brand be am born audio sika
say
politics sika no
there or say metie or say organizer na okot so are they saying say sika politics na ade a minimum ye yedi hon komoda ebo yedi hon komoda is it something that you can attribute to MPP miniano me no na wo MPP mu and to you no feel say MPP ni we ani ni ye nti one Akufo-Addo e wo problem and nti wo kasa bia na MPP na ti say o ye DC ni anu ayi wanim enya fe na obeka to say
me bacho ye na si form
ayi MPP ni
say we dey won ka bi
e wo obeka bi say say
uni Ghana aboti
David
na ma
atam na tia me
enti ade ni nyina ne say ye mo MPP abaso say MPP aya ade na odi asa na abeka enye nyum na obeto
o do ma me dase okay roja ma me tio
aboti yeah unim say MPP as a party me medical catch you say things are falling apart. And things are falling apart in the MPP, no. Now, my things fall apart. You know, I achieved the book, no. We said, make catch your last time, no. Now, the echoes were MPP moon, no. I say, name to be so I had the ding, cow dunk. I say, no, pictures, and then what a woo, sana, MPP party, no. Aye. Now, me wa ama lawyer keke sebe. Unim say ni dedo ye ni na no sisi ano ope recognition and acceptance in MPP because bisa no ken nipa not ho na odi
me pacho
yeah me odi mika say we
1 minute
mika say we na wonhwe ayi oketeche efifa mi ayi your friend is saying miracle asemi esi ye ya nanka omo ye obi a oketeche say we win smoothness level we smoothness level
okay see efifa
me na mika kire o
anti de to no ye ode
enye me de but say nanka the pepe mu nanka say party for the way America dey buy o ma be boy apim boy nanka we ye internal elections nanka mo pay the right thing to be done nanka lawyer keke sebemu lawyer sebemu nanka mo papin so because who na mo ye powerless people were party ni mu a mo ebi be to mo because who say we godfather ni MPP mu bie who say
me pacho SOMPA 106.5 FM me pacho beti me afre 0260196064 0260196065. Hello, good evening. Hello, good evening. All right, onye prepared. Hello, good evening.
Bro.
Yeah, me pacho wana me ne kasa wadarma.
Manaba ni.
Manaba me pacho ma intio why.
No. Okay. Yeah, over your power.
Yeah, that's say.
And you know, Mudiamone, come up. Hey, on somebody, and the same issue the same solution on somebody. I think it's not the same person that is speaking.
Mami, that's say, Manao you are not prepared. Hello, good evening.
Good evening.
Yeah, me pacho wana me ne kasa.
Pacho me I club me kasa.
I club me pacho ma intio why.
Me trust me person bisa MPP ni say omo de emra na wo man ni omo say e didi omo ana say omo ya special thing NDC for another different other parties no omo ya special omo de ya chom ya emra na chom go for ya no ma say omo agogo anya bia wo defend no once the grandpa ya say papa we ya fe another akoya fe when you move to a church campo, so go down when I will go to ye. And now, so what about Mukotu ye? About Mukotu ye? Chantopa, or Catechy yourself, no,
May I say so by you? Hello, good evening. Yeah, me Batwana, me ne kasa.
Many to Pachi. Ashima Suba Canable.
All right, me pacho my ATOI.
Professor ABOTCHIE.
Yes.
Dr. Kidankasa. Ciao. Opening chapter and command constituency NCE. The friend of Edmond Ago. Upon the bomb of the Yakutan Shana. I mean, Chawa Unia Kuma Pita Person.
There be a brain new hoko with him.
Okay, sorry to Martin. A Gamidi minimum, the Bro Hank, Abba Mojo.
Sure.
Baby.